Welcome to Sunny Meadows, a beautiful farm where the hills are always green and the sun shines brightly over every field and barn. Meet Blacky. He is a sleek black cat with bright green eyes and a tiny red collar. He is always full of energy and very curious. And this is Goldy. She is a fluffy ginger cat with warm amber eyes and a blue collar. Unlike Blacky, Goldy loves to take things slow and think. Even though they are very different, Blacky and Goldy are the best of friends. They spend every day exploring the farm together. One morning, they heard a loud, worried sound coming from the garden. It was the rooster, and he looked very upset. Blacky immediately tried to help. He jumped as high as he could to reach the latch, but it was just a little bit too small. Goldy tried to think of a way to push the gate open, but the wood was too heavy for her to move on her own. They realized that trying to do it alone wasn't working. Goldy looked at Blacky and said, "We need a better plan, and maybe some help." They ran over to the pasture to find their friends, the cow and the sheep. They explained the problem with the stuck gate. The cow and the sheep agreed to help. They all walked back to the garden gate, ready to work as one big team. First, the cow used her strong nose to nudge the bottom of the gate. Then, the sheep stood very still to provide a steady base. Goldy climbed onto the sheep's back, and then Blacky used Goldy as a ladder to reach the very top of the latch. With one coordinated push, the latch clicked open, the gate swung wide, and the little chick came running out, chirping happily. Everyone cheered. The rooster flapped his wings in joy, and the chick was safely reunited with its family thanks to the cats. Blacky and Goldy felt very proud. They realized that while they were small on their own, they were capable of big things together. The farm returned to its peaceful state as the sun began to set behind the rolling hills, painting the sky in beautiful colors. Blacky and Goldy curled up together on their favorite porch. They knew that no matter what happened, they would always have each other. And that is the moral of the story. When we work as a team and help our friends, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Good night, Sunny Meadows.